Hi guys, right, this video is sponsored by Boundary. So Boundary at the moment have got a 45% offer on Boundary alarm systems. They're giving me use code Nick or click the link in the description below. It's 45% off. Go to the website, build yourself a bundle. With the Boundary stuff, which you've seen in my previous video, which is this one, and also Jordan did a video as well, which you can go and see. I'll link them both below. Boundary is a wireless smart alarm system in the house that you can either fit yourself as a DIYer or professional can install. It's good looking, it's so simple to use and set up. It links onto your phone, goes across with all the smart technology as well we have around our houses. So with the alarm system, simple and easy. It comes with all the traditional features that a normal alarm system would have, with all the smart features on top, and it's wireless. It's dead easy to activate. It's just a fob in and out as you go in and out of the property. The PIR, the sensors are easy to install. Either you can screw them, you can use the sticky back stuff, all the stuff I've done previous in the videos. So click the link below, use the code Nick, get 45% off, which is a massive saving. Go and build your bundle on the website below, and let's get on with the video. Morning all, right, welcome back to another video. Just thought I'd start it at home, it's a bit easy today. I've had an email come through from the estate agents. There is a bedroom, not a bedroom, there's a bathroom that's covered in mould. The lights aren't working properly, the extractor fan's not working. And I think it's one of them situations where the tenants aren't opening the window or the door a little bit to let a draw of air through for the fan to work. You eating your toast? That's so nice. Everyone, this is Hallie anyway. This is the one that never sleeps. It does now. We've got to cut the crusts off as well to eat toast. So we're just going to go to the unit, pick some of the bits up, fire rated JCC, the fire guards with the IP rated bezels. I'm going to go and grab an inline fan from the wholesalers, big 4-inch one, maybe a Manrose one, and we'll get cracking, so I'll see you there. Right, I'm just going to pick our stuff up because we never unloaded all the stuff up and picked a lot of stuff up from the rewire I did, which you saw with John, previous videos. Just going to pick all that up, unloading all the tat. We've saved some of the special cable like I've said, so you've got the very old red earth bonding cable, which Adam's got here. We've got some rubber, some of that, and over here I've got some fake cable that a member sent me. So look in the end here, it's got earth, then live, then neutral. So I'm going to test some of that. Got some of the old lead sheath cable, which you've got here. So I'm going to do a test all around that. We're going to be using the JCC V50s for the next job, and then because we've got a massive box of them there, I haven't got any of the fire rated ones left, the fire guard ones. So yeah, this is just it. We took the kids' bouncy castles here, lent it to someone, never folded it back up, and it's covered in mud and water. So brought it here to set up. It's only because Adam wanted to have a go on it really. And yeah, we're just going to sort some of this stuff out, and then we'll run it over to the job, and you can see how mouldy this person's bathroom is. So this is we're here, all the cameras just dropped. This is the situation, so you can see the mould. Actually turn the light for me, Ad. It's not flickering. So, they've all gone rusty, all the way across, everything's gone mouldy, all across the wall. Adam's done his hair, like you cut, G. So what we're going to do, we've been a wholesaler and picked up this one. This is their new one in. We'll give this a go. It's a timed fan, but we're going to make sure that it comes on with the lights all the time to get rid of this. One of the major reasons why this is like this is no door or window is open, like I've said before. So there's no, there we go, so there's no draw of air in to a draw of air out. The light fittings themselves, I'm guessing it's because they have long showers, hot showers. The moisture sits on the ceiling. We can see it's just all dripping on the floor, across the window, the mirror. So we're going to drop these down, we'll fit some new lights. Adam's going to whiz up in the loft with, even my GoPro's getting foggy, hang on. Whiz up in the loft with the Unilight, the big one, V50s, and we'll see what it's like. So let me just drop a few of these down and we'll have a look at the condition. Right, only if I can get these ones down, you can see the moisture sat on the lights. Been terminated quite well as well. The fire rated ones, they're not that old. What are they? Ansel? Oh, they're the JCC ones. How old these ones are. yet to go and see how the ducting is for the extractor, but it's a downlight extractor. We're going to get rid of that, just put a grill in it. Go on in, mate. Put a grill straight in it, get rid of the downlight, because I'm guessing these are very small wattage LEDs. The V50s are, what are they, 8 watts?
Yeah, something like that. Right.
They are. Still can't tell.
7.5 watt.
Good. I'm glad I couldn't see that anywhere. This one's a very rusty one. Do you want to get the ladder up, mate? Have a look in the loft, and I'll push the camera up. Because I'm not sure the condition of the ducting or anything like that. And for this, right? Okay. Oh, here we go. It's always so. Oh, look at this. For God's sake, can you see that, guys? Hang on, let me get this. It's just full of connector blocks. I have to sort that out as well. So you know when you think a simple thing could be, oh, you put an extractor fan in, you put it low level, you do the ducting as flat and across as possible, and it should work fine. Oh no, let's make lives harder for ourselves. Let's make things worse. So we'll put the fan upside down, above the extractor, loads of drip loops, it's fed through the soffit. So I guarantee that this loop here coming down out the extractor is horrendously full of water. So we're just going to nip across there, disconnect all that sort of stuff, and yeah, see how much water's in there. Okay, right, it was fun trying to get over here. Downlight in the extractor fan is off the transformer. This here is the massive mess where there used to be a light fitting through this hole here, and they've decided just to connect a block here. I mean, what gets me is, why do people think that this work? That's okay. That's an okay thing to do. And then on top of it, let me move this back round here. Like I said, this comes up. That's not got any water in it. But pull this off. Had a bit of water in it. If I see this loop here, that there is completely full of water. So that wasn't doing anything. That was extracting back in here, filling this full of water. You can see how rubbish the drop is over there. So we're going to get rid of all this. We'll put the extractor probably here. We'll wire it in so it's always on when the light comes on, and that should have a lot more pull of air through. So it's not surprising that the bathroom's done what it's done, and we will put a maintenance free joint when the ideal joint box is on that. Tidy that up, redo it, clip a few things, but yeah, I mean, come on guys. Yeah, the bezel should twist off, and then there should be 4 screws. So what Adam's doing, he's taking this down so I can pour all the water that's stuck in this vent back through into the shower tray directly below. Apparently the extractor's not worked for a while. If you saw how grim this is in there. Yeah.
So Nick's going to drop all the water out of the hole.
Okay.
Is that everything, yeah?
Yeah. That's what we've got. So what I'm going to do, rip all these off, take the flex out for the extractor, we'll put some twin in, pull it across, link through, because there's no permanent feed here, so we'll link through live neutral for the time being. We'll speak to the estate agents to see if they want us to put a permanent supply in with a fan isolator, so have an overrun on it. But anything's going to be better than what was there, let's be honest. So we're going to pull a few of these down, switch a few over, and run back in the loft. But Adam, like I've said before, suffer this. Give yourself 1.5 meters, pre-wire it down here where it's easy, put it all back together, and then it's just simply wire it into some ideals in an enclosure up in the loft, rather than taking this off and trying to wire it in the loft where it's a bit awkward. Right, so I've just found out as well. So this is the flex going to the extractor. So the one up there is the timed fan. But what they decided to do is not put an isolation switch in or anything like that. We'll just use the earth. We'll put some brown tape around it, and we use it as a permanent live. So, God, we've been doing it wrong all this time, Adam. I thought you had to put an isolation switch in and use, 3-core and earth and, sleeve it up properly and put it in a box that you couldn't touch the terminals or anything like that. Why have we wasted all this time doing it the way we're doing it? How ridiculous. How much money I've wasted, mate. See, this is where it starts to baffle me. So someone took the time and the effort to make these up, to tape them together, no single installation exposed outside of the fitting. They fitted decent lights, not too bad. Oh, no, wait, never mind. Adam's having fun linking that through. We've got 1.5mm cable, so it's a bit tricky trying to double it over. But he's done it. The V50s, you come with your plug adapter, so in and out. You got 2 settings, warm white, cool white. We've been setting this to cool white because it's a little bit brighter. Come up here, I've been snipping the lights off completely and redoing it. Try and set it out the way it's going to be in the light, makes things easier. So as and when I pick this up, it will slot straight in, but I can't do it with one hand. All the lights are in. I've done the maintenance joint box up here. We're going to pop in the loft. I'm just going to screw this up properly, put the grill on. You're really impressed with the fan so far, aren't you?
Yeah.
So shout out to, what make is it?
Was it Monsoon? Yeah, Monsoon.
Yeah.
And you said Moonpig then.
Moonpig. Yeah, the car's good job. I'm going to put up in the loft now, put a mask on, and screw this vent down, pull all the duct in. It's come with nice big cable ties. So we're going to cable tie this up, and then we'll give it a whirl and see the difference this is going to make. Right, so our ducting's all in now. You can see I pulled it nice and tall, cable tied it on. We put all the insulation back down. That was one of the things as well. The things before, the guy hadn't put any insulation back down, so you were hitting hot, steamy air on a cold ceiling because there was no insulation, which would make it literally condense straight away. So yeah, a lot better. No bends, no kinks, no drops. It's coming up and bending down the right way to go out the vent. So I'm going to put a bit more insulation back down, and we'll drop down, do the toilet paper test.
Shut this.
Yeah, sorry about the flickering. GoPro thing again, you know what it's like. They're all the same. Go on then. Bit of kitchen roll. Yeah, loads of suction. And that vent should vent out. Oh, I can't see it. It's a bit more to the right down there. So, a lot brighter, a lot better, and better. And that's job done. Follow your boy for electrical work, you know what I'm saying, Ad? He's here. Get amongst it. Get amongst it. So it's a short video, but it was an interesting one to show you guys of what happens if you don't have very good ventilation and someone fits the extractor like a plumber would.
Using the earth.
Yeah, using the earth, the ducting, everything. So, little simple step, nice and easy how to do it properly. And if you wanted to go a step further, you could put insulated ducting in here. But this is a estate agent job, and it's fix it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, you guys know it's get the fix, get it done. Most of the time it's as cheaply as possible, which is the way things are recently. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Take care now.
Bye.